Hello everyone, this is Amreen Shabbir Chaudhary, faculty of Arihant Junior College of Arts, Commerce and Science. Today I am going to explain you what is matrix and types of matrices. So first we see what is matrix. When some numbers are arranged in rows and columns and are surrounded on both sides by square brackets is called as matrix. If a matrix has m rows and n columns, then order of the matrix is said to be m by n. And in general form, the elements of the matrix is enclosed by a square bracket and the elements are a11, a12, amn. Now, next is types of matrices. Matrices are distinguished on the basis of their order, element, and certain other conditions. There are different types of matrices. Some of them as follows, like row matrix, column matrix, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix. All these are types of matrices. I explain you one by one. So first is row matrix. A row matrix has only one row but any number of columns. A matrix is said to be row matrix if it has only one row and order of the matrix is 1 by n. That means in a row matrix only one row and you can take any number of columns. Second is column matrix. A column matrix has only one column but any number of rows. A matrix is said to be column matrix if it has only one column and order of the column matrix is m by 1. That means in this matrix you can take any number of rows but only one column. Third one is square matrix. Square matrix has the number of rows equal to number of columns. A matrix in which the number of rows equal to number of columns is said to be square matrix and order of the square matrix is m by n. That means in a square matrix you can take any 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, 4 by 4 matrix. Fourth is rectangular matrix. A matrix is said to be rectangular matrix if number of rows not equal to number of columns. That means in a rectangular matrix you can take any number of rows and any number of columns but both should be not equals to same. That means order of the rectangular matrix can be 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 1, etc. Next is diagonal matrix. A square matrix is said to be diagonal matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are 0. That means in a diagonal matrix, diagonal elements is any scalar or real number and non-diagonal element should be equals to 0. And here order of this matrix can be 1 by 1, 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. Sixth, scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be scalar matrix if all the elements in its principal diagonal are equal to some non-zero constant. That means in a scalar matrix, all diagonal elements are equal and non-diagonal elements are 0 and order of this matrix is 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, etc. Next is zero or null matrix. A matrix is said to be zero or null matrix if all its elements are 0. The value of the zero matrix is equals to 0 and order of this matrix can be 1 by 1, 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. Next is unit or identity matrix. A square matrix is said to be unit or identity matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements is equal to 1. In a unit matrix, the value of the unit matrix is equal to 1. Next is upper triangular matrix. A square matrix in which all the elements below the diagonal are 0 is known as upper triangular matrix. That means in an upper triangular matrix, below the diagonal elements are equal to 0 and the order of this matrix can be 1 by 1, 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. Now the last one is lower triangular matrix. A square matrix in which all the elements above the diagonal are 0 is known as lower triangular matrix. In a lower triangular matrix, all the elements above the diagonal should be equals to 0, and the order of this matrix can be 1 by 1, 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Thank you so much.